I got a bad feeling about this.
AGFILMS.
Meanwhile, I'm just walking around this beautiful Prague, you know, sunny day, sun shining, and then you get the moment when you realize that something in this day is wrong. It's sunny, nice, and then you turn around your head and you see a sign like that. And then you realize that there is something happening and try to remember. And then many car guys will find the reference. You know the situation when you buy a new car, start driving it, doing projects and stuff like that, and then you realize that from the moment you parked your old one, you literally forgot about it. So that's the situation I have now. So we're literally heading now to the car which I was driving before, the complete shitbox, rusty bucket, but it's still registered on my name, and there is a sign that I cannot park here. I still hope I don't have any fines. So let's get rid of this shit first of all. So this is the shitbox. I think you should be able to remember it from some previous or future even episodes, because not everything I film in a row, you know, like it's supposed to be. So yeah, it's still here. The parking signs you can see there. Battery is dead. What can I expect after like 7-8 months of it standing here? So yeah, let's just wait for a friend. So here it is. It's parked. Now we're going to my friend to give him the papers, and it will be his Easter gift. Now I'll go to garage to work a little bit on my BMW. Just have some little mods. By the way, I already put another wheel and still waiting for my lowering kit, so I can just drop it down on the ground. So my car is here. You can take a look now. It's still a bit too high and shit, but yeah. Quite a big wheel gap, but that will be fixed. Just will be nice. Okay, so we arrived to the garage. It's dirty as fuck. I didn't clean anything after I sold the Nissan. Trash everywhere. So I just found out that I have some things in my garage. I have these side skirts, pads kind of thing, and I as well have the splitter, which I made a little bit shorter so it would fit the short bumper of E90, because as you know it's like very short. It's like only this. So yeah, so I will try to fit these, and I'm still really thinking if I should, but I also have a huge big ass diffuser here. So I'll think about it. So I know weather is fucking amazing today. So for the beginning, I lifted the car a little bit so I can see the points and everything. Then I took some of I have no idea how it's called in English, but this foam, just to fill in the gaps a little bit where I cut my splitter to fit the BMW. So I will have like a guideline to lay the fiberglass, so I will have flat surface. This is my slider or something like that under my side skirts. I already cut all the holes, as you see, for the lifting points and for the rubber like water protectors, shit like that. So on this side I still need to install it, and on this side it's already there, as you see. It's here. Yeah, this one looks nice, I think. Yeah, kinda suits it nicely. So we will see. This part is now done. As well, I'm still waiting for this shit to dry out, because I will need to put some fiberglass, make a nice edge, so we can fit it. First one is always the hardest one to get in. And guys, this is plastic,
So don't blame me for using self-tappers. I'm not drilling through the metal, so nothing will gonna rust here. It's just the plastic and it holds quite well, so it's fine. But if I wanted to put some riv nuts, but the plastic is thin, and after the plastic there goes immediately the metal, almost. There is like a ½ centimeter gap or something like that. So if I want to put a riv nut, it's too long. So I don't want to drill through the metal, you know. So I'm just using these very short self-tappers, so they're exactly till the metal, so it doesn't go into the metal, but it's close, but it doesn't touch it, so it's fine. It's done. Side. And other side, same. So I guess I'm done for today. These I did, but I can't do the splitter because it actually doesn't want to dry, and I already need to go to party. It's Saturday, so yeah, need some drinks and chill. So